Do you know me? Let me introduce myself. My name is Sheena. I'm handling mathematics. Did you like mathematics? Yes, all are like mathematics. Okay. Now we are discussing the numbers. Do you know what is the first chapter? What is the first chapter? In your subject maths, what is the first chapter? Yes, chapter 1, 100 and above. 100 and above. You know how to write 100? 100. How many zero? How many zero? Oh, one following, 2 zeros. All of you know that. Nee? Well done. Okay. Then, now we are going to start our first chapter. Chapter 1, 100 and above. Are you ready to study? Very good. So all the numbers you had to learn about the second standard. 1, 2, 3. You know, spell the word 1. Spell the word 1. Yes, O-N-E 1. Let us start the class. Okay. Okay, my dear children. Okay. Now we are going to start our first chapter. Chapter 100 and above. First of all, we are discussing about one-digit numbers. What are the one-digit numbers? Did you know? Okay, say the one-digit numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the one-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the one-digit numbers. Okay. Now look at this. Which is the first one-digit number? 1 is the first one-digit number. What is the last one-digit number? 9 is the last one-digit number. Okay. Then we are going to study smallest one-digit number. What is smallest one-digit number? What is the smallest one-digit number? Do you know? See. Yes, which is the first one-digit number? 1. Then, when we are at what? The smallest one-digit number is 1. Okay, 1 is the smallest one-digit number. Okay, then what is the largest one-digit number? Largest one-digit number is what? Number is which is the last one-digit number? 9 is the one-digit number. Last one-digit number. So, the largest one-digit number is 9. Okay. Then, you read this and then you by heart this 2 question. The smallest one-digit number is 1 and the largest one-digit number is 9. Okay, once again I repeat. The one-digit numbers are 1 to 9. The smallest one-digit number is 1. The largest one-digit number is 9. Okay. Then, next. So, what is the next one? Is a 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers. Okay. So, what are the 2-digit numbers? So many 2-digit numbers. Then, first one, the 9 plus 1. Then, when 1 added to 1 was added to 9, it becomes what? We will get what? 10. What is 10? Is it clear? The last one-digit number is 9. That 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Then we will get the first 2-digit number. Okay, once again I repeat. The 9. 9 is the last one-digit number. Then 9 plus 1 equal to 10. This is the what? smallest two-digit number. What is? 10 is the smallest two-digit numbers. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. How to get 9? See. Okay. Already told you. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 10 is the first two-digit number. So, 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Then say 10 plus 1 what? 10 plus 1 equal to 11. 1 was added to 10 becomes what? 11. Okay. Then 11. Then 1 was added to 11. It becomes what? It becomes what? 12. Okay. Then 10 plus 1 equal to 11. 11 plus 1 equal to 12. Follow me. Can you follow me? Understood all of you? Okay. Then you say the numbers 1, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then so what? What is the last two-digit number? Then 99. Do you know these numbers? How to read this number? See, 99. What is 99? Okay. Then 99 is the largest two-digit number. Okay. Largest two-digit number. Okay. Then in these portions, first you had learned one-digit numbers 1 to 9. Then smallest one-digit number is 1. The largest one-digit number is 9. Second one is the two-digit numbers. How to get the first two-digit number? Then 1 added to 9, it becomes 9. 10. We got 10. Then 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Okay. Then next one, how to get the 11. 10. 1 was added to 10, it becomes 11. Okay, 10 plus 1 equal to 11. 11 plus 1 equal to 12. Then what is the last two-digit number? 99 is the last two-digit number. It means 99 is the largest two-digit number. Two-digit number. Okay, my dear children. Then we have discussed about the two-digit number. So what is the last two-digit number? 99. What is 99? 99 is the last two-digit number. Also we can say the largest two-digit number is 99. What is? Say once more. Largest two-digit number is 99. Then I will ask one question. The largest two-digit number is dash. What is the answer? 99. The largest two-digit number is 99. All of got a 99. Okay. Then if we add 1 in 99, we will get what? If we add 1 in 99, what will get a 100? That is 100. Do you know how many zeros in 100? How many zeros in 100? See, 2 zeros. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. Okay. Then, do you know what is the number name of 100? Number name. What is number name? It means the spelling of 100. See, 100 spelling. Spell the word 100. Okay, you know that. Okay, what is 100? HUNDRED. 100. Okay. Now, if we add 1 in 99, we will get 100. 100 has 2 zeros. Then the number name of 100 is this. Okay. Once again, you read this number. Read it. HUNDRED. 100. Okay, understood. Once again, spell the word 100. HUNDRED. 100. Okay. Then I will ask one question. Okay. Then Sinu has Sinu has 3 pencils. Sinu has 3 pencils. 1 pencil equal to each pencil has each pencil has how much rupees? 10 rupees. How much rupee? 10 rupee. Oh, Sinu has 3 pencils. Each pencil has how much rupee? 10 rupee. Then how much she will pay? How much rupees? She will pay how much rupees? Sinu went to market. She bought 3 pencils. How many bottles? She went to one bookstore and she bought 3 pencils. Okay. Then 1 pencil is how much rupees? How much? 10 rupees. Then she paid how much rupees? How much rupees she paid? Sinu paid how much rupees? Do you know? See? 30 rupees. Very good. 30 rupees. Okay. For 1 pencil has 10 rupee. Sinu bought 3 pencils. She paid 30 rupees. Okay. Then how will getting this number 30? Do you know? Say, I will say one method. Okay. How many make it tens? How many make it tens? Tens. How many make it tens? Just I will write one. Tens. Tens. How to make it tens? See, I will say one tens, 10. 1 10, 10. 2 tens, 20. 2 tens, 20. 3 tens, 30. So, Sinu bought 3 pencils. She paid each pencil as 10 rupee. So, she paid what? 30 rupees. So, we can say 3 tens 30. Understood? 3 tens 30. Okay, is it clear? Sinu bought 3 pencils. Each pencil has 10 rupees. So, Sinu paid how much rupees? 30 rupees. How to pay? How to calculate, Sinu? Sinu, how to calculate this? 3 tens 30. Okay, then once more. Can you say this? See. 1 10, 10. 2 tens 20. 3 tens 30. 4 tens 40. 5 tens 50. 6 tens 60. 7 tens 70. 8 tens 80. 9 tens 90. Then I will ask one question. How many tens in 100? How many tens in 100? Can you guess it? See? How many tens in 100? We already learned what a tens chart. 1 10 10. Repeat. Okay, I will say repeat once again. 1 10 10. 2 tens 20. 3 tens 30. 4 tens 40. 5 tens 50. 6 tens 60. 7 tens 70. 8 tens 80. 9 tens 90. Okay, then I will ask one question. You should find out how many tens in 100. Okay, can you guess it? Okay, you find out how many tens in 100. How many tens in 100? Okay, next class you will be saying to me. Okay, you will say to me how many tens in 100. Okay, my dear children. Let us wind up our class. If you have any doubt, ask me personally. Okay. Is it clear? All portions clear? Okay. If you have any doubt, you ask personally. Okay, catch you later.